In today's video, we're going to learn how to speak confidently at airport passport control. Get ready to practice useful English phrases and vocabulary for your next trip. First, we'll watch a short video without subtitles to test your listening skills. Then, we'll break down the useful vocabulary and key phrases together. After that, we'll watch the video again, this time with subtitles, so you can understand everything clearly. And finally, we'll finish with a fun role-play activity to help you practice what you've learned. All right, let's watch the video without subtitles first.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Could you please confirm your name and nationality for me?
My name is Maria Garcia, and I'm a Spanish citizen.
Thank you, Ms. Garcia. How long do you intend to stay at your destination?
I'll be visiting for 2 weeks for tourism purposes.
All right. Are you carrying any restricted items in your luggage, such as firearms, drugs, or agricultural products?
No, I don't have any of those items.
Okay, please proceed to security check. Have a pleasant journey.
Thank you. Goodbye.
All right, let's begin with the vocabulary. The word is written in green, the definition in white, and the example sentence in black. Passport control. A place in the airport where officers check your passport and other documents before you can enter or leave a country.
When we arrived at the airport, we had to go through passport control before boarding the plane.
Passport control officer. A person who works at passport control and checks your documents.
The passport control officer smiled and asked me to show my passport and ticket.
Passenger. Someone who is traveling on a plane, train, boat, or other form of transportation.
The passengers waited patiently in line to show their passports to the officer.
Passport. A small book with your picture and personal information which you need to show when you travel to another country.
Don't forget to bring your passport when we travel abroad.
Confirm. To say or show that something is true.
Please confirm your name and address before we proceed with the booking.
Nationality. The country that you belong to and are a citizen of.
My nationality is Canadian because I was born in Canada.
Citizen. A person who legally belongs to and has the rights of a particular country.
As a citizen of this country, you have certain rights and responsibilities.
Verify. To check or make sure that something is true or correct.
Please verify your email address by clicking on the link provided in the confirmation email.
Intend to plan or mean to do something.
I intend to visit my grandparents during the summer vacation.
Destination. The place where someone is going or the end of a journey.
Our destination is the beach, where we can relax and swim in the ocean.
Purpose. The reason why you are doing something or going somewhere.
The purpose of our meeting is to discuss the new project.
Tourism. Traveling for pleasure or to visit interesting places.
Many tourists come to our city to see the famous landmarks and attractions.
Duration. The length of time that something lasts or continues.
The duration of the movie is 2 hours, including the previews and credits.
Restricted. Limited or controlled, not allowed freely.
There are restricted areas in the zoo where visitors are not allowed to enter.
Firearms, guns or weapons that shoot bullets.
It's illegal to carry firearms without a license.
Drugs. Substances that can change the way your body works and are often used as medicine or for pleasure.
Taking drugs without a prescription from a doctor can be harmful to your health.
Products. Things that are made or grown to be sold or used.
The supermarket sells various products such as food, drinks, and household items.
Agricultural. Related to farming or the growing of crops and animals.
Farmers grow crops and raise animals on agricultural land.
Security check. A process where your belongings are checked to make sure you are not carrying anything dangerous.
We had to pass through a security check before entering the concert venue.
Boarding pass, a ticket that allows you to get on an airplane or ship.
Don't forget to print your boarding pass before heading to the airport.
Proceed to continue with something or move forward.
After checking in, we proceeded to the departure gate to wait for our flight.
All right, now we'll move on to the phrases. The phrase will be written in white and the explanation will be in black. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please? This means the person is asking if they can look at your passport, the special book with your photo and information, and your boarding pass, the ticket you need to get on the plane or train. Could you please confirm your name and nationality for me? This means the person is asking if you can tell them your name, the word people call you, and your nationality, the country you are from. How long do you intend to stay at your destination? This means the person wants to know how many days you plan to be in the place you are going to. What is the purpose of your visit? This means the person wants to know why you are going to that place, like if it's for a vacation, to see family, or for work. Are you traveling alone or with others? This means the person wants to know if you are going by yourself or if you are going with other people. Are you carrying any restricted items such as firearms, drugs, or agricultural products? This means the person is asking if you have anything with you that you're not supposed to have, like guns, medicine that's not allowed, or plants or food from another country. Please proceed to security check. This means they want you to go to the place where they check your bags and make sure you're not carrying anything dangerous before you get on the plane or train. Now let's watch the same video with subtitles.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Could you please confirm your name and nationality for me?
My name is Maria Garcia, and I'm a Spanish citizen.
Thank you, Ms. Garcia. How long do you intend to stay at your destination?
I'll be visiting for 2 weeks for tourism purposes.
All right. Are you carrying any restricted items in your luggage, such as firearms, drugs, or agricultural products?
No, I don't have any of those items.
Okay, please proceed to security check. Have a pleasant journey.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Now let's do a fun role-play activity.
Let's practice your English. I read the purple and you read the black. You are at the airport. You are speaking to the passport control officer. Are you ready? Let's go. Good morning. Passport and boarding pass, please. Thank you. Where are you traveling to today? How long do you plan to stay in Dubai? What's the purpose of your visit? Do you have accommodation arranged in Dubai? May I see your return ticket, please? Thank you. Please make sure to keep your passport secure during your trip. Enjoy your time in Dubai and have a safe journey. You too. Goodbye.
That's it. Well done on completing the lesson. You did an amazing job. See you next time. Bye-bye.